When I go for a ride, people often tell me I should have a decent toolkit, yet I still carry only the OEM tools. The other day, I almost stripped one of the bolts, so I've decided to upgrade to high-quality lighter spanners. Then I came across these Asahi tools. They were designed for workers operating at height. Let's check the weights. OEM 14mm, 12mm, 83 gram. Asahi 14, 12, 53 gram. OEM 10, 8, 36 gram. Asahi 10, 8, 23 gram. So in total, OEM is 119 gram and Asahi is 76 gram, total of 43 gram weight reduction. So this is their website price list. I think this is definitely better price per gram than titanium bolts upgrade. Now let's check the precision. The OEM 14mm is actually about 14.30 millimeter. The Asahi is 14.15 millimeter. The OEM 10 is about 10.15 millimeter. As you can see, it varies depending on where I measure it. Lower part is actually wider, so no wonder I almost stripped the bolts. The Asahi is about 10.05 millimeter. It's much more precise. They're beautifully designed, solid, high quality and lighter spanners. I'm happy to have in my small toolkit.